Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The last lecture was terminated due to the Zoom timing. The last lecture was ended or terminated due to the Zoom timing. Now we are going to complete that one, the local anesthetic. We are continuing from the same derivative, chloroprocaine. We have discussed that one. Chloroprocaine have got the chloro group, and that is electron withdrawing group, due to which the density of electrons will be less. Hydrolyzed more rapidly, rapid onset of action, more potent than procaine. Then we have got tetracaine. This is one of the compound which is generally used. It is easily absorbed, rapid absorption, because it have got a non-polar N-butyl group. Hydrolysis is slow, rapid onset, is used to prepare ointment for topical and ophthalmic application. 54 times more potent than procaine. Increase in activity is due to an increase in solubility by the presence of N-butyl group and the electron releasing property of N-butyl group by inductive effect. And we have got two characteristics which are responsible for the increase in the activity. Lipid solubility is increased due to the presence of N-butyl group, and also that group is electron releasing group. It means the electron density is going to be increased on carbonyl function, and hence the deuterion is more stronger and activity is more as compared to the previous one. This is the structure. Here we have got this NCH3 twice, नाइट्रोजन के ऊपर जो CH3 twice ग्रुप लगा हुआ है, और इस साइड पर ये C4HN, ये ब्यूटाइल ग्रुप है. ये N ब्यूटाइल ग्रुप जो है, दिस इज ड्यू टू द presence of this group that the activity is increased. इस ग्रुप की प्रेजेंस की वजह से एक्टिविटी इंक्रीज होती है. ये लिपिड सॉल्युबिलिटी भी बढ़ा रहा है, और उसके साथ साथ इट इज़ गोइंग टू इंक्रीज द रिलीज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, और वो इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट के ज़रिए जो कार्बोनाइल फंक्शन है, इसके ऊपर इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी बढ़ेगी और ड्यूटेरायन जो है वो ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग ड्यूटेरायन होगा, और जितना ड्यूटेरायन स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा उतनी एक्टिविटी जो है वो ज़्यादा होगी. इन प्रोपोक्सिकैन वी हैव गॉट दिस alkoxy group. Again, this group increase the electron density to the aromatic ring. रेजोनेंस और इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट दोनों के ज़रिए ये इलेक्ट्रॉन कार्बोनाइल फंक्शन जो है, यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी इंक्रीज होगी. ड्यूटेरायन जो होगा वो स्ट्रॉन्गर होगा, और स्ट्रॉन्ग ड्यूटेरायन जो है वो एक्टिविटी को भी इंक्रीज कर देगा. Articaine is another compound which was approved by FDA in 2000, widely used in dentistry and may be used for other purposes as local anesthetic agent. Quick onset and short duration of action. Structure is different from other amide local anesthetics due to the presence of the sulfur or thiophene. Compound become more lipophilic, can cross the lipid membrane more easily. The activity is more than lidocaine. Rapid hydrolysis and eliminated as glucuronide. Safer drug as compared to the other drugs and a drug of choice for dental procedure. Amla is another compound which is a mixture. Have got the lidocaine and prilocaine available as a cream for topical application. Instead of lidocaine we can also use adicocaine, or instead of prilocaine we can use adicocaine. This is the structure of articaine, atidocaine, prilocaine. Lidocaine, here the ring and the carbonyl group is attached directly by means of N. N जो है वो रिंग के साथ है और N जो है वो कार्बोनाइल ग्रुप को लिंक किया हुआ है. तो N is directly linked with the aromatic ring, and on the other side it is linked with the carbonyl group. It is linked with the carbonyl group. Due to the presence of this NH, it provides the protection to the carbonyl group and hence more resistant to the metabolism, or we can say relatively stable. Also have got the relative stable amide bond. Here we have got 2,6-dimethyl substituents. This one 2,6-dimethyl substituents. They also provide the steric hindrance and protect this carbonyl group. Lidocaine is twice potent as procaine, effective cardiac depressant, and may be administered intravenously in cardiac surgery and life-threatening arrhythmias. And this is another use. Lidocaine or lignocaine, which is an analyte derivative, is also used by intravenous route, through intravenous route, in cardiac surgery and life-threatening arrhythmias.